Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make mamak mee goreng but not using mee, but I'm going to use a spaghetti. So I will tell you the ingredients, what are the ingredients I'm going to use. I've taken here spaghetti 60 gram, 1.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, half tablespoon dark soya sauce, 1 onion that is a medium size or small size, a bit of carrot. This is mustard leaf. I've taken 1 medium sized potato which have already been boiled with a bit of salt and cut into pieces. And I've taken dry chili 2 to 3. If you need more spiciness you can put 3, or if you want less spiciness you can just reduce the chili. I'm using 1 garlic, but this chili I'm just going to put some hot water and make it soft. Then I'm going to make a paste with the chili and the garlic. So now I'm going to show you how to do the mamak mee goreng style with the spaghetti. Now I'm going to add some water. I'm going to break this spaghetti into half and I'm going to cook it for 20 to half an hour. We have to cook the spaghetti very soft with a bit of salt and oil. And I'm going to cover and let it cook for 20 to half an hour. The spaghetti is nicely cooked, and this is only for one person serving I'm doing it. So now I'm going to drain out the water. I'm going to pour about 1 tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to add the chili paste. We have to cook the chili paste in the oil for a while. I'm cooking the chili paste so that you can see the oil is separating from the chili paste. Now I'm going to add the onion. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water. This is the vinegar, and I'm going to add all the sauce inside. Soya sauce and tomato ketchup and dark soya sauce and a pinch of sugar. Just a pinch of sugar. I add the potato. You can add a bit of salt if there's not enough of salt. And the mustard leaf and the carrot. And I'm going to add the spaghetti. You can make it as a vegetarian, but I'm going to add a egg. It's already done, so we can off the stove and we can do the serving. The fried spaghetti is ready. Similar to mamak mee goreng, it's a simple recipe. Try it, like it and subscribe it.